Hello, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Man, this is a gorgeous Houston apartment. This is a high rise. The residence is La Colombe door. Just simply beautiful. Love everything about this beautiful floor plan. It nails it as far as a high rise. Just gorgeous. Backsplash, lots of space on the countertops. Everything's modern, very, very pretty. It's got a huge island that's here. The island is delightful. And look at all this space. Now, this is their two-bedroom model, but look at all this space. You can put that table here, floor-to-ceiling window, and you've got 4, maybe even 5 stools that could fit under there. Lots of space over here for seating, and then beautiful, beautiful patio that's out here. It's just really gorgeous. And then you've got just so much here. That bedroom is beautiful here too, with the floor-to-ceiling windows. This is a gorgeous floor plan, and you would have so much fun in this area as well. It's a perfect area, a delightful area of town in Houston. Hey, if you'd like to take a tour of a perfect high-rise, this is it. I would send me a text and just say, Grant, I'd like to take actually a virtual tour over the phone. Send in a request. I'll take care of that for you for free, no obligation. That's part of our free service, and I'll take care of getting that to happen as early as today. Send in that request right away. Just say, hi, Grant. Use my number below.